Christine Teller here. I'm going to show you how to use share code with Cybernetico Live. So your first step will be to log into your Ingresso Cybernetico site or your Cybernetico Live. Let's try that again. Okay, once inside, you're going to go to your products and go to online webinar platform. And I'm also going to have you go to products and autoresponder service. Okay, now so once you're in your Cybernetico Live back office, you want to go to My Account and click on Import Webinar. I'll go get my code. There's my webinar code here. Copy that, take it back. Then you enter your share code here. Import. And it's imported successfully, so you'll go to List All Webinars. And here's the imported webinar, so you're going to do Edit Webinar. Remove this. Magic Responder, you can set your time zone. Very important to make sure that your webinar has the correct video in there. Enter your email address. I'm going to go ahead and save the module. Okay. Now this is for your autoresponder, your form ID or list ID. I'm going to choose Magic Responder. But you can use Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, One Shopping Cart, and Constant Contact. So I am going to go to my autoresponder, click on autoresponder. We'll go ahead and just create a test campaign here just to show you how to set it up. We're going to put test. Company name. Now, the company URL, it depends on what you're promoting. If you're promoting a JV product, put your JV affiliate link in there. But you can put anything in there. Your website. Now, if you're looking for on your capture page, you're looking for phone number, you would want to click yes on this text marketing and put your mobile phone number in there. But for now, we're not doing text, so you don't need to change anything there. Your email signature. Then click on create campaign. Oops, forgot to change. We'll go back and edit that. So here's the campaign I just set up. And go to manage form, edit campaign. I only have to edit the campaign because I forgot to change the time zone. Which it is not allowing me to do right now. Okay, so I'm not going to worry about it. Go back to autoresponder. Manage form. I'm going to make sure you activate your campaign. And it's now saying active. So manage form, and you want to create an opt-in form. Now you don't need to worry about any of this. And you want to make sure that this is set up like your registration page. So if your registration page is asking for a name and email, you want to make sure that both your name and email set up. So leave the headline, the name, the email, and the submit and respect your privacy checked. I uncheck these. Then click on next. Change the form name to match what your campaign is. You don't need to change any of those. Click on done, and here's your form ID. So you take that form ID, copy it, go back to Cybernetico Live, put it in here, and click on save. Now depending on if you want to run your imported webinar on daily sessions, you can set this up to run up to 12 times a day. You can every day, any day, one day a week, several days a week, whatever you need there. So then you would want to go to presenter, click to add, put your presenter's name in there. You don't really need to put your email address, and you put your email address in, you know, if you're independent business owner or whatever, you can put that here. Upload a picture just to save time. I'm not going to worry about that. Save. You know, set up your registration page. Choose any of these templates. Just for purposes right now, we'll just select this one because there's no video there. If you don't put your company name, it will say Ingresso Cybernetico or Cybernetico Live there. I believe Cybernetico Live. Put your headline in there. Subheadline. But usually with an imported webinar, this is already set up. So you wouldn't really have to worry about any of that. Unless you want to do your own video or something for your registration page. Replay webinar, we leave that, just leave that at no. Your thank you page, can set up a custom thank you page. You can choose one of these, or you can do a redirect link. You know, you can send your thank you page to your Facebook fan page or anything, an offer, whatever you'd like there, whatever you choose, and then you know, make sure that you save your modules every time you make any changes. And offers. There's already an offer in here, so I'm going to want to edit that. And I will want to get my link to put in there. So whatever your offer may be, you just want to enter the offer name. But like I said, if it's imported, your offer will already be there. You just need to edit it. Save it. Your W commands. Now always check these and see when the offer is made. So it's saying that the offer is made at 15. So we'll go back up here, scroll down to 15. Oh, maybe. Click on 15, select a command, and you want to show your offer to attendees. And you want to select your pop-up, which is already selected, so, and we're going to add command. And we're going to scroll down and save. Okay, and then we want to go to links. Now if you're running your webinar several times, you'll want to use this link, so you would do, you know, visit now. You always want to visit and check out your work anyways. Visit that one. And this webinar now link is a new feature, and it works great. This way you can send people to your webinar without them having to register. Saves a lot of time. And there's your webinar. And here is your webinar link for your ready link. So that one's beneficial. There's just a test page, and for some reason I got a server error on this one. But no big deal, because for now we're just going to use our webinar link. And there it is. You'll want to watch your webinar, make sure your offer comes up, and that's it. So if you don't have Cybernetico Live, or you're not in Ingresso Cybernetico and you'd like to use this webinar system, I will put the link below. And you have a good evening or day, whatever part of the world you're on. Peace out.